Imagine building your business without spending a dime on expensive lead generation tools. Today, we're diving into clever, cost-effective strategies to capture leads for absolutely free, all powered by Zapier's magic. First up, let's leverage those free trials many platforms offer them, and Zapier can snatch the valuable information submitted during those trials and pipe it directly into your email list or CRM. This means you're capturing potential customers who are already showing interest. Next, let's tap into the power of social media. Did you know you can automate lead collection from things like Facebook, lead ads, or even new followers on certain platforms? Zapier can connect these directly to your email marketing service, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. Think about your website too if you have a contact form or a newsletter sign-up. Zapier can automate the process of adding those new signups to your subscriber list. This saves you manual data entry and ensures immediate follow-up potential. The key here is automation by connecting different online services with Zapier. You can build a robust lead generation system without the hefty price tag. You can even set up automated welcome emails to start nurturing these leads from the moment they sign up. So move beyond expensive marketing tools and embrace resourcefulness with Zapier. You're not just saving money, you're building a sustainable engine for business growth by consistently growing your email list and nurturing your future customers. Don't forget to subscribe for more automation hacks that will transform your business.